The Hyderabad Disaster Response and Assets Protection Agency is sending shock waves across Hyderabad. The birth of government agency has never been greeted with so much fanfare by the public as that of Hydra. Walkers and students are taking out rallies in support of Hydra. Activists are actively sharing satellite pictures of lakes past and present with Hydra. People now want extension of Hydra to the districts as well. But what's made Hydra so likable? Perhaps its mandate to protect the lakes and lands of Hyderabad, which are encroached by politicians and influential realtors who build farmhouses and huge residential complexes. Lakes are aplenty in and around Hyderabad city. According to Deputy Chief Minister Batti Vikramarka, there are about 920 lakes in Hyderabad and 491 have been encroached. While a farmhouse allegedly built in Janwada by Bharat Rashtra Samiti working president K.T. Ramarao is star attraction, names of Congress stalwarts including Minister Ponguleti Srinivasulu Reddy, former Rajya Sabha member KVP Ramachandra Rao and CM Revanth Reddy's brother Anumula Tirupati Reddy also figure in the list of alleged lake grabbers. Many politicians are struggling to defend their illegal structures. The demolition of N Convention Center, built in the lake bed by movie actor Akineni Nagarjuna at the heart of the city, made the Hydra extremely popular and fearsome. People are waiting with bated breath for the next target of Hydra. The brainchild of CM Revanth Reddy, Hydra was created in July by the Department of Municipal Administration and Urban Development as an agency for planning, organizing, coordinating and implementing the measures prevention of urban disasters. What caught the people's attention is its mandate to protect public assets such as parks, playgrounds, lakes, land parcels, etc. from encroachments. An able, non-controversial, low-key IPS officer, A.V. Ranganath, was appointed the commissioner of the Hydra, who overnight became super cop with his silent operations. The familiar sound and easy pronunciation of the acronym made Hydra, unlike the abbreviations of government bodies, an instant hit. Experts believe that a movement is building up among the public in support of Hydra because the agency is seen as liberator of Hyderabad from clutches of lake encroachers.
कि भाई आज पूरा हैदराबाद शहर का ऐसा माहौल क्यों हुआ है? पिछले 10 साल का अगर ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड हम उठा के देखेंगे, टीआरएस गवर्नमेंट ने सब लेक्स के ऊपर परमिशन देके उनको पूरा डेवलपमेंट के नाम पे पूरे लेक्स को खत्म कर दिया गया है. पूरे लेक्स के ऊपर इन्होंने कंस्ट्रक्शन किया है. हजारों लोग जो मतलब हजारों करोड़ों रुपए कमाने के चक्कर में उन्होंने पूरे लेक्स के कब्जा करने का उन लोगों को एंटरटेन किए है. आज जब हम पलट के देखेंगे 10 साल के बाद हमारे पास एक भी लेक बचे जैसा स्थिति नहीं है. अगर आज हमारे मुख्यमंत्री साहब ये सोच के ये डिसीजन लिए कि आने वाले जनरेशन्स को अगर हम लोग पानी देना है तो किसी ना किसी तरह से इसको रोकना पड़ेगा, इसलिए ये काम आगे बढ़ रहा है.
Activist Lubna released a video with satellite pictures on how various areas in Hyderabad were being encroached, stating that 2020 Hyderabad floods were caused solely by these encroachments. She urged Hyderabad Commissioner to revive these lakes. Meanwhile, AIMIM Supremo Asaduddin Owaisi questioned the legality of Hydra.
नेकलेस रोड FTL पर है, तोड़ो उसको आप. नेकलेस रोड FTL पे है, बोल रहा हूं मैं आपको. तोड़ते आप उसको, तोड़ना चाहिए ना भाई. कौन रोक रहा है आपको? FTL है, CCMB का गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का ऑफिस है, हिमायत सागर के पास बना लिया आप, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का है. तो ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्शन इस बात पर है, ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्शन इस बात पर है.
However, CM Revanth Reddy has assured the public that Hydra operation will continue irrespective of the political affiliation of the encroacher. He in fact revealed that the first farmhouse to face the demolition was owned by Congress leader and former Union Minister M.M. Palam Raju. He also assured that educational institutions will be given time till the end of the academic year.
ప్రకృతి మన మీద ప్రకోపిస్తే మనం చెన్నైలో చూసినాం, అదేవిధంగా ఉత్తరాఖండ్లో చూసినాం, నిన్నగాక మొన్న వాయనాడు, మనం కేరళలో చూసినాం. ఈరోజు ఇలాంటివన్నిటిని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ హైదరాబాదు నగరాన్ని రక్షించుకోవాల్సిన బాధ్యత మన అందరి మీద ఉన్నది. ఇది ఒక సుందరమైన నగరం. ఈ నగరానికి ఈ చెరువులే ఒక అందం. ఈ చెరువులను కాపాడే బాధ్యత ఈ ప్రభుత్వం తీసుకుంటుంది. ఎవరు ఏమనుకున్నా, ఎవరు ఏ ఒత్తిడి తెచ్చినా వాటన్నిటిని పక్కన పెట్టి చెరువులను ఆక్రమించుకున్న వాళ్ళ భరతం పడుతుంది ఈ ప్రభుత్వం అని చెప్పి నేను ఈ సందర్భంగా తెలియదలుచుకున్నాను.
A total of 43.94 acres of land has been recovered and 166 encroachments have been demolished by Hydra. Experts say that regenerating 1 acre of encroached lake would help restore 4 lakh liters of rainwater. Perhaps this is the reason why the move has become quite popular among the public.